Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Solana tokens by moving them off an exchange and into your own hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Solana app on your Ledger device. It's essential for handling Solana transactions. If you haven't installed it yet, connect your Ledger to your computer via USB, unlock it with your PIN, and use the Ledger Live app to add the Solana app. Once that's done, your Ledger will display your Solana wallet address. Write this down or keep it visible because we'll need it soon. Next, log into your Crypto.com account on the app or website. Navigate to your wallet section and select Solana from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Paste in the Solana address from your Ledger Nano X. Double check that it's correct. One wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Now, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Solana's congestion. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm it on Crypto.com. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Keep an eye on that. Back on your Ledger, approve the transaction when it pops up on the screen. You'll need to confirm it using the device's buttons. Once approved, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, thanks to Solana's speedy blockchain. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And hey, once it's done, your Solana is safely stored on your Ledger, way more secure than an exchange. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy transferring.